In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse your video in CapCut. So first you want to open your CapCut and you want to either start a new project or mess with a existing one. So I'm just going to go to one of my existing projects here. And once that loads up, what you want to do is split the clip that you want to reverse if you don't want to reverse your entire project. So I'm going to select a part of the video and I'm going to look at the bottom and hit split. And then I'll choose another point here and hit split once again. And that way you have 3 separate clips at this point. So the clip that you want to reverse, make sure you have it selected. And then toggle at the very bottom with all of these different options. You're going to scroll all the way over until you see it here. Let's see, where is it? And there it is. So you will hit reverse. And that might take a second. Sometimes it'll take a couple seconds to load up, but this one just changed automatically. So now you can see if I were to be on this clip here, then it changes to the other side. And then it goes right back to the original format that it was in. Hope you guys liked the video. It's very simple, very quick, and we'll see you in the next one.